Welcome. The Lista image editor is very simple. On the left side, you will see the design layout that you've selected in the previous step, and on the right side, you will see the corresponding fields for each of the elements in the layout. In case you don't need some of the elements, you can uncheck the box in front of them, and they will be removed completely from the design. There are three types of fields in the editor. Text fields that serve to replace the placeholder information in the design, upload fields that serve to replace any images or brand logo present in the design, and in the case of the comparison module, checkboxes, which serve to switch between X marks and check marks in the comparison matrix. To upload or replace an image in the design, you need to click the corresponding button. You will be asked if you'd like to upload a file from your computer or choose an image that is already uploaded in your media library. When you choose the image, you will be prompted to crop it in a ratio that corresponds with the design layout. You can also choose to remove its background. When you're done creating your listing image, you can click Save and Exit to go back to the product overview, or save and create new image, and you will be redirected to the layout selection screen so you can choose a new layout for your next image.